Greetings for the day. I am Reenu Dutt, Assistant Professor at School of Legal Studies, BBD University. Today's lecture is on salient features of RTI Act. Transparency. The primary objective of RTI Act is to promote transparency in the functioning of government institutions by allowing citizens access to information. Now, next is scope of information. The Act covers a wide range of information held by public authorities. This includes records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, press release, and a lot of more. Their applicability. The RTI Act is applicable to all government bodies at the central, state, and local levels, as well as to private organizations that receive substantial funding from the government. So it is not just the government bodies which belong to central or state or local levels, but private organizations which receive some funding from the government organizations are also included under this application of RTI Act. Right to information. It grants every citizen the right to request information from public authorities. The request can be made in writing or through electronic means. So, as we already are aware that we have the right to request information from public authorities, and this request could be made in writing or through electronic means. Time-bound responses. The Act mandates timely responses to RTI requests. Public authorities are required to respond within 30 days. So there is a specific time limit for each and every person. So public authorities are required to respond within 30 days and in certain cases within 48 hours, depending on the nature of information which is sought over. Designation of public information officers, that are PIOs. Each public authority is required to appoint public information officers to handle RTI requests and provide the requested information. Appeals process. The RTI Act establishes information commissions at the central and state levels to handle appeals and complaints. So if an applicant is not satisfied with the response, or if there is no response at all, they can appeal to the relevant information commission. Fees and exemptions. The Act allows public authorities to charge a reasonable fee for providing information. But it also specifies certain categories of citizens who are exempted from paying that fees. Certain categories of information, such as personal information and information affecting national security, are exempt from disclosure. So these are the exemptions from providing the information regarding these categories. Some personal information or information which affects national security, these are all exempted from disclosure. Proactive disclosure. Public authorities are required to proactively disclose certain categories of information, reducing the need for citizens to make formal requests for commonly sought information. So the public authorities are required to proactively disclose certain categories of information. Now, this could reduce the needs for citizens to make some formal request for commonly sought information. Protection of whistleblowers. Now, this Act includes provisions to protect individuals who disclose information in the public interest, which are also known as whistleblowers, from any adverse action by public authorities. So, for seeking such information, the Act does not require applicants to provide reasons for seeking information. So there's no need for such reasons in which the Act does not require applicants to provide reasons for seeking such information. So the right to information is considered a fundamental right that we are evident of, and citizens can request information without specifying why they need it. Preamble emphasizing democratic principles. The preamble of RTI Act highlights the importance of transparency and accountability in government, stating that the right of information is an essential component of democracy, which we all know that there is a great importance of transparency and accountability in government to function in a particular manner. So this preamble states that the right to information is an essential component of democracy. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.